Hi children, good morning to all. Very good morning. Had your breakfast? Yes, just now only I too had. How are you all? Yeah, I hope you all are fine, right? Simply are enjoying in home, is it? But don't neglect your studies, okay? What I am giving work, just to complete in your classwork. Now, I want to take a class for 3rd standard children. Subject Science. Today's date 13th of August, Thursday. Lesson name is all about birds. Lesson name is all about birds. You know already different types of birds, is it? Surrounding in your house, you are seeing a variety of birds. Or in zoo, is it? You see, no? Or in park, you are saying different type of birds. Okay. Now, just open page number 209. Page number 209. This is a lesson. 209. Okay. Now, take your reader. Planet Earth is blessed with many kinds of birds. You can see birds in the wood in parks and gardens near your homes. You can see them in all colors and in all the sizes. The sight of birds in the sky is simply a treat for the eyes. It's amazing to watch them take flight, glide through the air and land with ease. Do you know how the birds fly? Birds have wings which help them to fly. They have strong muscles attached to the wings. They use these muscles to flap their wings. To fly, a bird flaps its wings both upward and forward. In the air, it uses its tail to turn while flying. When it lands, it spreads out his wings to stop. Not all birds using their wings to fly. There are many birds like the penguin, the ostrich, the kiwi and the emu. They do not use their wings to fly at all. Penguins use their wings to swim and move in water. Ducks and swans also use their wings to swim. Peacocks and hens cannot fly high, so they do not use their wings too often. This is about birds. See, the planet Earth is blessed with so many different type of birds. Our planet Earth. We are having now persons is also different types. Your brother is different, your sister is different, your mommy is different, your father is different, neighbors are different, your uncle and auntie is different, your grandparents are different. Is it? Means in different areas, different peoples are there. Like that only, birds are also different types, different shapes, different sizes, different colors. Okay, birds are having a different types and shapes, sizes, colors are there in different places. You are seeing some different type of birds surrounding in your home, or some different kind of birds you are seeing in a garden or in a park or in a zoo. You are seeing now different type of birds, and it's very surprise to us to see the birds which are flying in the sky. It is a very good treat for us. It was amazing to see the birds which is flying in the sky. Is it? How they will fly? How? How the birds will fly, tell me? The birds will fly with the help of their wings. With the help of the wings. Is it? You see, no? wings is attached to the strong muscle of the body of the bird. Wings is attached to the strong body of the muscle of the bird. That will help us to fly in the sky. Okay, and the when bird will fly, it having a small tail. The bird is having a small tail which help us to take turn. Okay, if you are sitting in a bathroom to take bath, again you are coming out, you are turning to the kitchen because you are having a legs. If you are coming to school from your home, you are taking so many turns with a bike. Like that only, the birds is having a small tail to change the direction, to change its direction from going to go from one place to another place. Okay, see here, page number 210, see here, it is having a small tail like, here it is there, no? Understood? And when it is moving, the tail help us to take the direction to move from one place to another place. When it is landing on the land, when it is coming down, the bird, when it is coming down to land on the earth, it stops flapping. Flapping means like this it will do, no? The wings, it is going up and down, up and down, up and down. While it is flying upside means it is moving, the wings are moving forward and down, up and down. While when it is landing on this earth, it will stop the flapping. Okay, next, and all the birds will not fly. Some birds are there, it never fly, just it will walk. It having a wings, but it can't fly. Examples, see now, penguin are there, and next ostrich, emu, kiwi, peacock, hen, duck. See in the picture 210 page number, these are the birds which can't fly. It having a wings, but it can't fly. Because see, penguin having a wings, it can't fly. It will swim in the water. Penguins, see in the National Geography channel, so many penguins are there. And in Pogo channel, Cartoon Like Network, they are showing no penguins, how they will walk with their kids. That wings help us to swim in the water. And for duck also, the wings help us to swim in the water. And peacock and hen, they can't fly high. If it is a hen, it fly only this much. Peacock is also same, it can't fly high. Okay. Next, we go for the body of a bird. See, have you seen the shape of a bird body? It's a boat shape. This shape helps in a flying. Further, the bones of a bird are thin and hollow. The light weight of a bird also help us to fly easily. The shape of the body of a bird we can see here. The bird is having a light weight. What it is having light weight? Bones and muscles is having in a light weight. For that sake only it is flying in the sky. We are having a heavy weight, we can't fly because our bones and muscles is having a heavy weight. That is our main purpose, it will help upon the high. Understood? And The shape is the bones of a bird is in a thin and hollow. It is very thin and hollow. Thin and hollow shape. And the body of a bird is like a boat shape. The body of a bird is like a boat shape. The body of a bird is a boat shaped. Understood? The body of a bird is like boat shape. These are the wings. This is the body of a wings is boat shape here. The body of a wings is a boat shape. Okay, next we will see the feathers of birds. Feathers of birds. The body of bird is covered with feathers. Some birds have brightly colored feathers. They look so beautiful. Feathers are very important because they help us to fly. They also keep its body warm. There are three kinds of feathers. First one, flight feathers. Second one, down feathers. Third one, body feathers. See, feathers is having a three types. We will see here. Feathers of a birds. Feathers having three types. First one, flight. Flight feathers. Second, down feathers. What is down feathers. Next, body feathers. The birds of the body are covered with feathers. I think you've seen, right? But why the body is covered with feathers means the feathers will help us to fly in the sky, and it is having a bright colored feathers. Some birds is having a bright colored feathers. Okay, and next they are so beautiful. So the feathers are very important to birds to fly in the sky. Three types of feathers are there. First one, flight feathers, down feathers, body feathers. They given here, see the picture here. See, first one, flight feather, sorry, down feather it is. First one you see, down feather. Down feather. Second one, body feather. Third is flight feather. These are the three types of feathers. Understood? Okay. Beaks of, flight feathers. They are long feathers in the wings and tail used for flying. Flight feathers means these are the long feathers. So see in the picture. Flight feathers is a long feather, help us to fly in the sky. Okay. Next is down feather. These are soft and fluffy, help us to keep the body warm. Down feather help us the bird's body to keep us warm because it is flying in the sky. Sometimes it becomes cold to the birds. For that sake, the down feather helps the body Helps the bird's body to keep us warm, keep them warm. Okay, next is body feather. Body feather means it will cover the body. The bird's body is covered with the body feathers. Okay, next we move for beaks of birds. Beaks means we are having a mouth to eat. Like that only birds are having a beaks to eat. Beaks of birds. Beaks of birds. Beaks of birds. See now. Page number 211. Let us now learn about how a bird eats. A bird has no teeth. It cannot chew its food. So, how does it eat? It has a beak which helps it to eat. The beak helps it to pick up the food, bite, crack or tear it into small pieces. It is suited to its food habits. Look at the beak of these birds. A parrot has a hooked or curved beak. It helps to crack nuts and a hard fruit. It also helps it to climb. See. So many birds are having a different type of beaks. Okay. But the parrot is parrot is having a curved shape. The parrot is having a curved shape to eat. The curved shaped beak. It is having a curved shaped beak. Parrot is having a different type of beak. Help us to it is not chewing because it is not having a teeth. The bird is not having a teeth. The beak helps us to pick the nuts, pick the food what it is eating, to tear the insect. If it is eating insects means it is helps to tear, to crack, to cut the food into pieces. But it can't chew because it is not having a teeth. Only for cutting, only for picking that nuts or some grains or tearing for that small type of insects or flesh. Only this is a uses of this beak. The parrot is having a curved shape. It is having a curved shaped beak because it helps us to crack the nuts and it helps us to eat the hard foods like apple, mango, is it guava? Okay, some fruits it will eat by this curved beak. Okay, next is we go for eagle. See, eagle and vultures, kites, owls and hawks have strong, sharp, hooked beaks. The beaks help us to tear the flesh into small pieces. Vultures, eagle and kites, owls, it is having a two sharp beak. It is help us to tear the flesh to eat. Understood? Next topic about woodpecker and some birds we will see in a next class. Okay, after this you just read a lesson. Thank you.